Welcome to Writing Day 3, students. As always, we're going to be doing our Foursquare, which is where we're going to organize our similarities and differences into the draft of our writing. So this is where we also need to make up our topic or our beginning, where we introduce our reader to what we've been writing. We want to make them learn more about the topic that we are now experts on. So for this topic, let's use the prompt. Here's the prompt again. You just read an article entitled Crocodiles and Alligators. Write a 1 to 3 paragraph essay explaining the similarities and differences between the two animals. Use details from the text to support your writing. So it tells us right here what we have to write about, the similarities and differences between crocodiles and alligators. So these are, the two animals, which are crocodiles and alligators. So here's an example. Crocodiles and alligators are similar yet different animals. So I talked about the crocodiles and alligators. I didn't just say they. I'm telling my reader what animals I'm talking about and that I'm going to be giving them similarities and differences. They're similar yet different animals. So there could be our topic right there. Now we need to do our conclusion or the closing to our writing. And guess what? It can be similar to your topic. So here's our topic. Crocodiles and alligators are similar yet different animals. And here is our conclusion. In conclusion, alligators and crocodiles have some things in common, but are still different animals. So I changed my words a little bit, and I still told them, my reader, that I'm talking about alligators and crocodiles and that they have some things in common or similar, but they are still different animals. So let's put it all into our Foursquare. So here is writing day 3. As always, I'm going to have the previous day open, writing day 2, because I'm going to be stealing some of the stuff from there. So writing day 3, we just came up with our topic, which was crocodiles and alligators are similar yet different animals. So you can use that. Crocodiles and alligators are similar yet different animals. Then for 2, 3, and 4, your details here are going to be from your Venn diagram. So my suggestion would be take one from the crocodiles, one from the alligators, and one of the similarities and put them into 2, 3, and 4. So you could give a difference in number 2, a difference in number 3, and then a similarity in number 4. You just have to give me one if you would like. You can give me more if you would like, is what I meant to say. And then our conclusion. You can still borrow my conclusion, which was, in conclusion, alligators and crocodiles have some things in common, but are still different animals. In conclusion, alligators and crocodiles have some things in common, but are still different animals. I finished my writing. I closed it all up. So you can borrow these for this writing or come up with your own, but there you have it for what you are doing for writing day 3. Just a reminder, I didn't do 2, 3, and 4 because I want you to do it. Go back to your Venn diagram and take one of your differences from each and one similarity, and you've got your 3 answers right there. Good luck, boys and girls.